Hi guys, this is Hi Foodie Girl. Here is my apple pie recipe with an irresistible homemade apple pie filling. Homemade pie crust is quick and easy to make. In the bowl of a food processor, combine 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar and half tablespoon of salt. Now you need 400 gram unsalted cold butter, pulse the mixture together until coarse crumbs form. Now add 5 tablespoons of ice water, then pulse just until moist clumps. Transfer the dough to a clean work surface and pull it together quickly with your hand. Now divide it in half and flatten to form 2 equal discs. Wrap each disc in a sheet of plastic wrap and let it chill in the refrigerator at least for an hour. You can use them for any recipe that calls for pie dough. Sprinkle your work surface with flour and roll out your first pie crust. The easiest way to transfer this into the pie pan is to wrap it around your rolling pin gently. Now simply unwrap it into a clean pie plate. Roll the second crust and using your pizza cutter, cut 8 thickness strips. And this process is so easy to make. We will start with the sauce for the filling. Next add half cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. Bring that to a boil, then reduce the heat and continue simmering for about 10 minutes. When it's done, it will have a light caramel sauce consistency. Take it off the heat and let it cool. Sprinkle the top with 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. Stir to evenly, coat the apple with cinnamon. Next add all of that sauce. Stir the sauce to coat the apple. Add all of the apple mixture. Place one large strip down the center. Continue doing this on the right and then the left. Now peel back the alternating strips. Place any remaining strips of the dough around the edges of the pan where needed. You can crimp the edges of the pie dough. And this process is so easy to make. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. That's it guys, your apple pie is ready. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.